I've always had a thing for fridge magnets. Every time I visited a new place, I'd pick one up to remember the trip. But now, instead of searching for the perfect souvenir, I can actually make my own thanks to this 97-piece DIY fridge magnet kit from BEDARTIST. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca WTI, and if you're like me and you enjoy collecting memories, then you're going to love this. One of my favorite things about this kit is that it lets me turn meaningful moments into something I can see every single day. The kit includes strong magnets, clear glass cabochons, and one paper punch. So basically everything needed to start making your own personalized magnets right away. I was honestly so surprised by how easy they were to put together, and the finished magnets look amazing on my fridge. Plus, it gives me a way to create meaningful gifts for the people I care about. Every time I walk into my kitchen, it's like looking at a little collection of my favorite moments. And that's what makes this product so special to me. And that's just my point of view.